Savers, and for those who are new to the channel, welcome. I'm Saba, and this is Savoring with Saba, where I'm talking all things food. And y'all, I know that we may be celebrating New Year's Eve at home, but that's okay because we can still dress up and enjoy some sippy sips. And today I'm going to show you how to make the ridiculously simple and delicious Saint Germain sparkler. First, y'all, I have a giveaway announcement at the end of this video, so make sure you watch to the end. And two, if you haven't already subscribed, click that subscription button below. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's cocktail. The ingredients you need for today's cocktail are Saint Germain, vodka, sparkling apple cider, club soda, and apple slices. The first thing you want to do is pour some Saint Germain into your champagne flutes. Saint Germain is a naturally sweet elderflower liqueur that has a nice floral taste. Now it's time to add some vodka, because what's a Savoring with Saba sippy sip without a little vodka? Now it's time to pour the sparkling apple cider. Top the cocktail off with some club soda. I love garnishing and decorating my cocktails, so for this recipe, I'm adding apple slices. I'm loving the sweetness that the Saint Germain gives us, the bubbly that we get from the club soda and the apple cider. This is my jam, y'all. Alright guys, it's the moment you've been waiting for, the giveaway announcement. I am gifting 2 lucky people with 2021 Air Vista planners and a 1-month subscription to Advanced Magazine.
The Air Vista Planner is an all-encompassing organizer that includes tips on fiscal responsibility, personal empowerment, spiritual well-being, and inspiration to help you be the best version of yourself. It comes in beautiful Ankara prints in a protective case. Advanced Magazine is an online-based magazine tailored to ambitious women ages 16 and up. It aims to inspire women of all ages and walks of life to advance in every aspect of life and brings fresh content regarding current events, body positivity, music, and entertainment.
The Air Vista planner comes in this beautiful blue protective case. Look at the gold detail. Ooh, how gorgeous this. Look how gorgeous this purple Ankara print is. Y'all, you can write your mission statement. Here's your monthly view. Each month has a theme. Love that. A camouflage pocket. Look at the gold detailing. Look at that. This is perfection, people. Be sure to check the description box below to get the deets on how to enter into this giveaway. And we're done, guys. So head on over to my website, savoringwithsaba.com, to get the full ingredients list and step-by-step instructions, and check out the description box below to get more deets on the giveaway. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Everyone stay safe, happy savoring, and Happy New Year.